Your light bulb should not be able to connect to your security camera, but it can in most of the case. And what we're going to be talking about is network segmentation and the importance of VLANs. So essentially, I have the internet coming in to my cable modem, into my router, and to my switch. I have multiple VLANs off that switch, or I could have multiple switches. It doesn't matter, but you get the picture. I have my camera, right? And my smart lights and my thermostat can talk to my camera. However, the problem with this is most cases, those light bulbs, they never get a firmware update and they always have vulnerabilities. So we need to mitigate this risk. So essentially, I want to be able to control my lights from my unrestricted VLAN, which is my most client device VLAN, but I don't want my smart lights to talk to my cameras. So I set up multiple VLANs. I set up a VLAN for my client devices, and I set up a VLAN for my security cameras, and I set up an IoT VLAN. So that's why we went through in the other videos, we went through setting up the VLANs. And, most networks are pretty vulnerable, and we don't want someone to get access from a smart light and be able to watch our security cameras on our home network. That's just bad. I don't want to be watched. I don't want to be spied on. So, we implement these little security things that really make our lives easier, and it prevents data leakage. In this case, us being filmed. We don't want to get we don't like being filmed to begin with. So we also don't want other people seeing the film. We just have these security cameras in order for safety, right? Someone robs us, we can go look, see what happened, so on and so forth. So yeah, that's why we segment out these networks. So essentially, my VLAN 10, I want to be able to talk to my IoT network, but I don't want my IoT network to be able to talk to my unrestricted network. So I will set up access control list in order to make that happen on the switch and also at the firewall level. So yeah, that's just a real basic why we need to VLAN. And if you guys watch the videos, the videos I already produced, we will go through that VLANing process. I also can make a dedicated video just on VLANs. So comment up in the description if you guys want that, and we'll make it happen. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And deuces.